the small donation that you can find will go a massive way. It's $2.50 for 18 litres of water. It's $5 for a warm blanket. You know, $25 will put a tarp over somebody's head. It makes me really happy that the donations that have come and the people that have messaged me and said that this is what they're doing, it warms my heart because I know exactly where it's going. Yeah, and I'm the one sourcing things and we're the ones making it happen. And the Gili community and the Indonesian community and the Lombok community, thank you so much.